Hello everyone, at Keen to Change I've recently collaborated with Syrebo Care, who have sent me one of their great rehabilitation gloves. So today we're going to have a quick unboxing of what we've got inside here, and we'll give you a quick showcase of what the glove actually does as well later on in the video. See you then. So once we've actually opened up everything inside, we've got four main components. This is the little machine that allows you to move your hand backwards and forwards. That's the electrical component of the machine. Next we have the actual rehabilitation glove itself. Now this is used on the right hand in this instance because, as we know, most stroke survivors have the right hand side of their brain affected. Obviously we have some equipment here that we can use for our exercises. So let's get this all set up and we'll give you a step-by-step guide. And so what a device like this does is it essentially increases the neuroplasticity of the brain. So we're rebuilding those connections that have been affected from the brain to the injured muscles, and we're just slowly rebuilding that, and that's what's called neuroplasticity. So there's specific modes to this device, one of which being manual training and the other which of being mirror training. Now manual training is really great as it allows you to get your proprioception back, it allows you to get the feel of moving your hand again. And the mirror training, as we've mentioned before, if I move this hand here, this hand will also simultaneously draw itself in, and if I release, it will also come straight back. And we'll give you a proper demonstration just now. What we can actually do is we can start to train the injured hand. So I've got my hand open here, and I'm just going to mirror this movement and pick this up here, and I might place it over here. So as we can see, I'm going to mirror this movement here, and I'm going to move it from side to side. Again, close and open. Now this differs massively to what conventional rehabilitation training for stroke patients would normally be. Normally people wouldn't have access to this sort of equipment, and so what Syrebo Care does is it increases the accessibility of equipment such as your stroke rehabilitation hands. Now this hand is specifically very clever because what it has these valves here, which means you can train individual fingers of each hand. So what we can do is if we close off each one of these valves here, we can actually train individual fingers. There we go. So they're training individual fingers now, just leaving the middle finger open. So there you go. If your therapist annoys you and you want to use your injured hand, that's the gesture that you've got to give them. Now the reason as to why this collaboration has come about is because, as you know, Keen to Change used to be a specialist menopause website. But actually, as I progress through my career now, what I'm going to be doing is studying a physiotherapy degree, and that's a master's course at which I have a real interest in neurological physiotherapy. So thank you very much for watching. That was a quick breakdown of the Syrebo Care rehabilitation glove. Hopefully you enjoyed, and if you've got any questions, please leave them down below and we can answer those for you.